Recently, the Atlanta Braves opened up the doors to SunTrust Park for the first time for media members. The president of business, Derek Schiller, took us on an exclusive tour to show us all the latest amenities and features for your new home of the Braves.
Okay, so we are now on the terrace level. We're on the first base side of SunTrust Park, and we've been talking a lot on a couple of the other stops about how the ballpark was designed. And I think one of the great places that you can understand the intimacy of this ballpark is from this particular perspective. Because you can look out onto the field where the field will ultimately be, and you can understand how close you really feel here on our middle level, as we call our terrace level.
All right, so you may have read in the papers, we broke ground in August of 2014. Since that time, workers out here have put in 1.8 million hours. On any given day right now, 1,000 workers work on the ballpark, just the ballpark alone. Outside in the battery, we're probably hitting 700 or 800 site-wide. Through the coming year, we're going to probably max out or go past 2,500 workers on the entire site. 1,000 just here on site, and you're doing an excellent job.
So I was asked to give you guys a couple of fun facts, some cool things that you might want to take with you. So I figured I'd talk a little bit about what you can see and maybe a little bit about what you can't see. So right now, the backbone that holds up this entire structure is concrete. So it's a concrete frame with a steel structure above it. The concrete, all in, there's about 70,000 yards of concrete that make up the total, the entire concrete package on the project. All of the elevated concrete structure is complete, and we're just over, or say just under 51,000 yards of concrete that's in place. So everything's in place with the exception of the inner bowl that you can see that we're still working on. With that concrete, that's enough concrete literally to pour a sidewalk from where you're standing here today all the way to Gainesville, Florida. So kind of a neat fact from a concrete standpoint. Structural steel is still going on. You can see, if you look up, you can see we're erecting the outside fin, the outside portion of the canopy that's going to chase around all the way out down the third baseline. The total weight of the stadia, which is kind of a neat fact, the total weight of all the structural precast that make up the stadia equals about 750 school buses or 145 C-130 military aircraft. There's over 8 miles of HVAC piping, 908 miles of wire and cable once the project is done. That's a lot of wire and cable to electrify this facility.
All right, Braves fans, well, there's a lot of progress going on at SunTrust Park and a lot to be excited about. We're going to have the latest in technology, entertainment, and I tell you what, the views are not too bad either. To keep up with the construction updates, go to braves.com/SunTrustPark.